Howdy financial freedom. Welcome to my channel. To achieve financial freedom, create clear goals, live below your means, and prioritize saving and investing. Pay off high-interest debt, build an emergency fund, and diversify investments. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance and increase your income through career advancement or side hustles. Minimize taxes and practice discipline and patience in your financial journey. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Practice discipline and patience. Practice discipline and patience are crucial virtues on the path to financial freedom. It requires consistent adherence to a well-defined financial plan, resisting impulsive spending, and staying focused on long-term goals. Discipline involves setting clear boundaries, living below your means, and prioritizing saving and investing. It requires commitment to your strategy and being resilient in the face of challenges. Embrace delayed gratification, knowing that sacrifices today will pave the way for a secure future. By practicing discipline and patience, you lay a strong foundation for financial success and achieve the freedom to live life on your terms. Number 9. Continuously educate yourself. Continuously educating yourself is a pivotal step towards achieving financial freedom. By staying informed about personal finance, investment opportunities, and economic trends, you empower yourself to make well-informed decisions. Seek knowledge through books, courses, and reputable financial sources to enhance your financial literacy. Moreover, ongoing learning keeps you abreast of potential income-boosting opportunities, such as side hustles or entrepreneurship. Embrace a growth mindset and adapt your financial strategies accordingly. As you expand your knowledge, you gain the confidence and competence needed to navigate the complex financial landscape, ultimately paving the way to financial freedom. Number 8. Minimize taxes. Minimizing taxes is a vital aspect of achieving financial freedom. Smart tax planning allows you to keep more of your hard-earned money and maximize your wealth-building potential. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs, 401(k) and Onyx, and HSAs to reduce taxable income and enjoy potential tax-free growth. Consider long-term investments to benefit from lower capital gains tax rates. Additionally, explore deductions and credits available for expenses, such as mortgage interest, charitable contributions, and education costs. Strategic estate planning can also minimize estate taxes, ensuring your wealth is preserved for future generations. Staying informed about tax laws and seeking advice from tax professionals will help you navigate the ever-changing tax landscape and optimize your financial strategy. By minimizing taxes, you enhance your ability to save, invest, and build a solid foundation for lasting financial freedom. Number 7. Increase your income. Increasing your income is a pivotal factor in attaining financial freedom. Look for opportunities to boost your earnings, whether through career advancements, negotiating higher salaries, or seeking better-paying job prospects. Embrace upskilling and professional development to make yourself more marketable and eligible for higher-paying roles. Explore the potential of side hustles or freelance work to generate additional income streams. Passive income ventures such as investments or online businesses can also contribute to your financial growth. As your income rises, resist lifestyle inflation and instead prioritize saving and investing. The combination of increased income and responsible financial choices will accelerate your journey towards financial freedom, offering you the flexibility and security to fulfill your aspirations. Number 6. Diversify investments. Diversifying investments is a crucial strategy on the path to financial freedom. By spreading your investments across various asset classes and industries, you can reduce risk and increase the potential for higher returns. Different assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities, behave differently in response to market conditions, economic cycles, and geopolitical events. Regularly rebalance your portfolio to maintain the desired asset allocation and adjust it as your financial goals and risk tolerance evolve. Remember that diversification does not eliminate all risks, but it provides a solid foundation for long-term growth. By diversifying your investments wisely, you build resilience and improve the likelihood of achieving lasting financial freedom. Number 5. Invest wisely. Investing wisely is a fundamental pillar in attaining financial freedom. Start by educating yourself about different investment options and understanding your risk tolerance and financial goals. Consider a long-term perspective and avoid chasing quick gains. Diversify your investments across various assets to spread risk and optimize potential returns. Focus on quality investments with strong fundamentals and a history of consistent performance. Avoid putting all your money into a single investment and practice disciplined portfolio management. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to stay aligned with your objectives. Be patient and resist emotional decision-making during market fluctuations. Seek advice from reputable financial advisors if needed, but remember to stay actively engaged in your investment decisions. By investing wisely and staying committed to your strategy, you set the stage for financial independence and a secure future. Number 4. Build an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is a critical step toward achieving financial freedom. This safety net provides a cushion for unforeseen expenses or emergencies, such as medical bills, car repairs, or unexpected job loss. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. Start by setting aside a portion of your income regularly until you reach your target amount. An emergency fund not only protects you from financial setbacks but also prevents you from relying on high-interest debt during challenging times. It brings peace of mind and allows you to stay focused on long-term financial goals without worrying about immediate financial crisis. By having an adequate emergency fund, you pave the way for a more secure and stable financial future. Number 3. Pay off high-interest debt. Paying off high-interest debt is a crucial step on the path to financial freedom. High-interest debts, such as credit card balances and personal loans, can accumulate quickly, making it challenging to achieve financial goals. Start by prioritizing debts with the highest interest rates and commit to making regular, substantial payments. Consider implementing debt repayment strategies, such as the avalanche or snowball method, to accelerate your progress. As you eliminate high-interest debt, you free up more money to save, invest, or tackle other financial priorities. Moreover, reducing debt improves your credit score, enhancing your financial prospects in the long run. By being disciplined and persistent in paying off high-interest debt, you lay the foundation for a debt-free future and gain greater control over your financial destiny. Number 2. Live below your means. Living below your means is a fundamental principle for achieving financial freedom. It involves spending less than you earn and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Embrace frugality and make conscious choices to prioritize needs over wants. Create a budget to track your income and expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. By living below your means, you free up more money for saving, investing, and paying off debt. This financial discipline also provides a safety net during economic downturns or unexpected expenses. Cultivate mindful spending habits and avoid succumbing to lifestyle inflation when your income increases. Emphasize long-term financial goals over short-term gratification, understanding that delayed rewards lead to lasting financial security. By living below your means, you create a solid financial foundation that paves the way for true financial freedom. Number 1. Set clear goals. Setting clear goals is essential for achieving financial freedom. Begin by defining your financial aspirations and determining the lifestyle you desire. Be specific and realistic about the amount of money you need to sustain that lifestyle and the time frame for achieving it. Break down your long-term goals into smaller, manageable milestones to track your progress. Having clear financial objectives provides you with direction and motivation to make sound financial decisions. It helps you stay focused on your priorities, resist impulsive spending, and prioritize saving and investing. Regularly review and adjust your goals as circumstances change, and celebrate your achievements along the way. With a well-defined roadmap to financial freedom, you can navigate challenges with confidence, knowing that every step brings you closer to the financial independence you seek. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.